Now, listen, if you've never tried quail before, I would recommend you consider giving this recipe a try. And trust me, you would not regret ever doing so. Today is a beautiful afternoon, and we are going to be making some oven grilled quail. This is what quail looks like for those who do not know what quail is. Quail are the smallest farm birds you would ever find. They are so tiny but so cute and delicious. So this is what quail looks like. I'm just cleaning my quail, taking off the unwanted parts. Just make sure your quail is nicely and thoroughly cleaned. Now I'll just cut open and take out the heart, the liver, all the entrails, ensuring that my quail is thoroughly washed. So once it's nicely washed, I'm going to let it sit in water with some vinegar for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'll be using white vinegar, but I want you to note that adding vinegar to my meat is not going to kill any bacteria. It is just to tenderize my meat or my quail meat, but it has nothing to do with bacteria. All right. So once that is seated, we're going to go ahead and prep our marinade. So here we have some homemade green seasonings, Scotch bonnet pepper, and Jangsang, Cameroon white pepper, black pepper, and some um, African nutmeg. Then I've got some garlic, onion, and leeks. We're going to blend all that together. I'm going to put it in the description box. I'm going to put all the details in the description box. Now our marinade is nicely blended. We transferred into a pretty bowl, added some salt for seasoning, some melted butter, give it a good mix, ensuring that everything is nicely combined. Now we're gonna transfer our quail into a bowl and then go ahead to marinate it nicely. Now transfer your clean quail into a bowl and add in some generous amount of your marinade. Make sure your quail is free from water. Then go ahead and rub it gently and beautifully, ensuring that it is nicely coated. Once that is done, transfer it into a tray and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. I'll be doing an overnight marinade. As you all know, I do love overnight marinade. Like 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours is just good enough. I'm going to be using some cling film to wrap my quail and then let it sit in the refrigerator. All right. So as you can see, it is beautifully coated, and we are going to be letting it sit in there. And today is the next day. Here is the next day. We're going to prep our vegetables. So here we have some broccoli, some carrots. I'm just going to list all this below. We're going to start by slicing our capsicums. I have the yellow, red, and green capsicums. We're just going to slice that beautifully. While we are slicing this, let's go ahead and welcome all our new joiners and our returning friends and family members. You're most welcome to Chanazi Twist. My name is Chanazi, and here I twist the little things my mom showed me in her beautiful, beautiful traditional kitchen. So if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, you're most welcome. And I want you to know that this is home, this is family. Here we cook together and we eat together. So pull your chair and let's continue doing this as a family. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share the video. So here we are peeling our plantains after slicing all our fresh veggies. Once we peel our plantains, we're just going to slice them into big chunks because we are going to be frying them. We're going to be deep frying them. All right. So now in a pot, we're just going to transfer all our sliced carrots, yellow capsicum, broccoli, red capsicum, everything in a beautiful little pot. And then we're going to add in our blended marinade, the leftover, add in some olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil in our marinade with some salt, mix everything beautifully. And then we're going to stir fry. All right. So this is just going to be quick and easy, but it's going to be very delicious. So we quickly layered our baking tray with some cling film and some baking paper and transferred our marinated quail and then put it to grill. Just transfer it into our oven and let it grill until nicely cooked. So here we are transferred into our oven. We're going to let it cook for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to flip the sides. Here we are flipping the sides of our quail and then we'll let the other side cook as well. While that is happening, we're going to go ahead and fry our plantain. Now just let some oil to heat up and then add in your fried plantain until golden brown. Then you can take it off the heat. Our plantain is not cooking nicely. So once it's ready, we're just going to take it off the heat and set it aside. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? Now it's time to stir fry our veggies. You can also go ahead and bake your veggies if you want, but I decided to stir fry it. So here we have our quail already ready. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. Now let's quickly stir fry our veggies. Let's double check our veggies is cooking nicely on medium to low heat. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our fried plantain. Now you're just gonna cook your veggies for about 5 minutes. Remember, these are veggies and the cooking process continues, so we won't let it overcook. Once you add in your plantain, just stir for about 2 minutes and then everything is ready. Plate your meal and serve it to your family and enjoy. This is something you can serve for Christmas as well, isn't it? Doesn't it look beautiful? Don't you want to give this a try? Just go ahead and give this a try and thank me later. This is beautiful. You're definitely going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of our video, but I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next one. Hey, Christmas is around the corner. What have you done this season to put a smile on somebody's face? Remember to do a random act of kindness this season. I love you all. Bye.